Hi everyone, today I want to talk about a remix mode inside Midjourney. What remix mode allows us to do? Instead of regular variation of previously created images, it allows us to edit or add something to your prompt. So let's, for example, create a new image. /imagine and add a prompt, medieval warrior in detailed armor with a stormy sky background. Here is our result. Here we have an option to regenerate all 4 images, or we can vary first, second, third, or fourth image. I like, for example, the fourth option. Let's vary it. Here is our result. It created 4 new images based on our fourth option and on our previous prompt as well. Let's now try remix mode. How we can turn it on? First option is to type /settings. And here we have a remix mode. To turn it on, we just click on it. And when it turns green, it means that it turned on. And to turn it off, click it one more time. And the option I prefer and much faster option, just to type /prefer remix. And now if we click here, vary our image for, it will give us an opportunity to change our prompt. So for example, we can here add cartoon style and add as well --AR 16:9 as I want to create a landscape. And let's check it. And here is our result. We can remove something from the prompt as well. So let's leave it like this. And make it, for example, in portrait resolution. And here is our result. To turn this mode off, we can easily type again /prefer remix, and Midjourney will turn this mode off. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.